Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas for this week starting today, the 26th of April 2021. Before I go into the trading ideas, I'd like to tell you that there was a sale on the Oriflow course on my website, which ended yesterday, but still my web guy didn't take that sale off. So there's still some time to get it before he takes that sale off at the site. So I guess that still you have a couple of hours from now until he does so. So if you want to get the discount on the Oriflow software and Oriflow video course, then you can click this banner which says flash sale, and that will take you to this Oriflow website. Now on this page you can get the Oriflow pack with a special discount. In here you can see what you're going to get, and you can also scroll down this page to see more of the details of what you are going to get, and you can purchase it now in here, right, for $3.97, and you can do so for the next couple of hours until he takes that flash sale down from the website. So that's for the flash sale, and let's now go into the trading ideas. The first one is a day trading idea on the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. So all those three charts, those charts are linked. They all show the same trading instrument. In this case, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. This chart at the top, it shows weekly volume profiles on a 60-minute chart. Then this chart is a 30-minute chart where I have flexible volume profile. That's the profile which you can move around like this. And the last chart, this is a 15-minute chart where I have fixed profiles. Those are 4-hour profiles which get automatically printed every 4 hours, and the time frame of this chart is a 15-minute chart. All right, so that's the layout which I use for day trading. Now the first trading idea is on the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, and it is based on a volume accumulation setup. I think I best show you in here on the flexible volume profile and on the 30-minute time frame. So there was a strong downtrend, and what I did, I used the profile to look for significant volume areas. Now this area, it has been already tested in here, so I'm not longer looking for shorts for this area, but there's a still heavy volume cluster which hasn't been tested yet. The heaviest volume peak in this area is at 0.9004, and this is where I think the strong resistance lies, because this is a place where I think sellers were adding to their short positions, right? Because there was a downtrend, so aggressive sellers dominate this market. So sellers were adding to their short positions in here. Then there was some more selling activity, aggressive selling activity to push the price downwards. Now it seems that there is a pullback to this area. Hopefully the price will reach it. And from this place, I think that the sellers who placed their shorts in here, I think that those sellers will want to push the price downwards from there again, to manipulate the price into a new selling activity, into a new sell-off, right? So this is why I think that 0.9004 is a strong day trading resistance. Now let's go into the next trading idea, next intraday trading idea, and it will be on the British pound Canadian dollar. So now all the charts show the British pound Canadian dollar, and what I want to show you in here is this day trading resistance, which is at 1.7549, and this one is based on the volume accumulation setup. It is based on those massive volumes which got created before the strong sell-off in here. This sell-off occurred in a macro news, and I think that sellers who are placing their short positions in here pushed and manipulated the price to go downwards from there. Now the heaviest volumes were in here exactly at 1.7549, and I think that this place will be defended by the sellers who placed their shorts there. So when there's a pullback at some point in the future, then I think those sellers will want to defend their positions, their shorts, and they'll want to push the price downwards from there again. All right, that's the volume accumulation setup. Also, you may have noticed that there were heavy volumes in here. I'm not too much into this area for two reasons. First reason, this is a weak high. I wrote an article about that on Friday, so you may want to check it out on my website. The article was about the DAX and about weak low, but the logic is the same. And this is basically what I call the weak high, all right? And one more thing I don't like about this area is that there wasn't that strong selling activity commencing from this place, like in here, right? This was very strong sell-off, which shows aggressive sellers, but from here, I don't really see any start of crazy selling activity, like from this place, all right? So that's why I'm not really into trading shorts from here. I'd rather wait for the price to hit this area, this zone, and trade from there. Alright, so that's for the British pound, Canadian dollar. Now this pair is pretty volatile, so you want to be careful with this one. Probably use smaller trading position, bigger stop loss, bigger take profit. Alright, so that's for that. Now the next trading idea will be a swing trading idea. So I'll switch my workspace and go into the Euro Swiss franc. So now the chart before you is Euro Swiss franc, and it is a weekly chart. So this is a long-term swing trading, right? And the trading idea which I want to show you is also based on volume accumulation setup, but in this case it is a swing trading idea. So let me show you. In this rotation, massive volumes got accumulated on the Euro Swiss franc. Then after that, strong buying activity. This indicates aggressive buyers manipulating and pushing the price upwards. Now those buyers most likely place their longs in here, in this rotation, right? You can see the volumes there. The heaviest volumes were in here, where the line is, it is at 1.0812. This is where the heaviest volumes got accumulated, and after that there was this strong buying activity. So when there is a pullback, I expect the buyers from this zone to defend this area, which is at 1.0812 or somewhere around this area where the volumes were heavy, and to push the price upwards from there again, right? Now obviously you need to use pretty wide stop loss and pretty wide take profit for this one, because this is a swing trade based on weekly charts. So ideally the stop loss would be somewhere below this area using the alternative stop loss method. You can learn more about that on my website or in my video course, and take profit for this trade at least with a risk reward ratio 1, right? So this is for the swing trade idea. It doesn't really matter how long it will take for the price to come to 1.0812. It doesn't matter. Markets have good memory, so even if this takes a half a year, I don't mind. Even if it's a year, I don't mind. And when the price hits this area, I'll expect that there'll be a buying reaction and that the price will react there. Alright, so that's for the long-term swing trading idea on the Euro Swiss franc. And what I would like to do at this place is announce the winner of the contest we had last week. The prize of the contest was Flexible Volume Profile for MetaTrader 4 platform. Right now on your screen you should see the person who won the indicator, who I randomly picked today. So congratulations for winning the profile. Just send me an email and I'll send you over the indicator. Alright. Now what I'll do in the next week is I'll do another contest. What you need to do to participate in this contest for the volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4 is just leave a comment below this video on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win that profile. Alright. So that's about that. That's about the little contest. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you liked the trading ideas which I showed you. And I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video. And until then, happy trading.